In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code with Bitly. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your Bitly account, all the way to designing and creating a customized QR code that you can download and use anywhere. I'll describe each step clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your Bitly home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the QR code features. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left column, you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled QR codes. This will take you to the QR code section where all your existing codes and creation tools live. On the QR codes page, you'll see a button that says Create Code. Go ahead and click that to start a brand new QR code. Bitly will open a creation form where you can define what your QR code will do. At the top of this form, you'll find a field where you need to type in the destination URL. This is the link you want people to visit when they scan your code. It could be your website, a landing page, a video, or any other valid link. Take a moment to double check that the URL is correct, because any typo here will send people to the wrong place. Next, there will be a field for the title. Type in a clear, descriptive title for your QR code. This title is for your own organization inside Bitly. So choose something that will make sense to you later, like the campaign name or the page you're linking to. Once your URL and title are set, click on Design Your Code. This opens up the customization area where you can make your QR code match your brand or style. Start by choosing your preferred pattern style. Bitly offers different shapes for the small modules that make up the QR code. Click through the options and pick the one that looks best to you while still remaining easy to scan. Then select your preferred corner style. These are the three larger squares in the corners of the QR code. Adjusting these can give your code a more unique look, but avoid anything too complex that might affect readability. After that, choose your preferred color. You can change the color of the QR code from the standard black to match your brand. For best results, keep a strong contrast between the code and the background, such as a dark color on a light background. In the Add a Logo or Center Text section, click on a logo style. Here you can place a logo or text in the center of the QR code to reinforce your branding or give a clear call to action. Make sure the logo isn't too large, as it still needs to scan reliably. Next, scroll to the Select a Frame section and click on a frame style. Frames usually add a border and sometimes text like "Scan me," which can help people understand what to do with the code and make it stand out on posters or screens. You'll also see an option to remove Bitly branding. If there's a toggle for this, click it to turn it on if you want a fully unbranded QR code. Keep in mind that this option may depend on your plan, but if it's available and you prefer a clean look, switch it on. When you're happy with all your design choices and everything looks good in the preview, click on Create Your Code. Bitly will generate your customized QR code, and from there you can download it and start using it in your marketing, print materials, or online campaigns.